School experiences. We all have them, okay? There's no way around it. We all have those school experiences. And I've never shared to you guys any of my barber school experiences, but today I got time, cuz.
You lucky on that day I was acting cool, cuz. I told you I ain't got time for that, but today I got time, cuz.
Today I got time. School. Let's first talk about expectations, okay? Expectations. Before you even go to school, let me tell you guys what was on my mind. So when you think of school, what do you think about? Hey, I'm going to learn, you know what I mean? I'm gonna get this top flight education of the world, Craig.
With top flight security of the world, Craig.
I'm gonna have the skills that I already have before coming into barber school. I'm gonna have those set of skills.
Are a very particular set of skills. Skills I've acquired over a very long career.
And then the school is supposed to enhance those skills, thus making me a greater barber.
Oh, hell no!
Not to mention the knowledge, the wisdom, the education.
Got him!
Just the tools that you need to pass state board. You know what I'm saying? Top flight security of the world, Craig. That's what I'm thinking in my mind. Top flight education. Taking skills to the next level. You're sitting on the couch. You're not doing nothing. How about you call 1-800-BARBER SCHOOL right now and we will be able to teach you everything we know. I made the call. As though we all make calls. But my experience and expectations did not line up. Let me tell you, okay? It wasn't a pretty experience. So let's talk about it. So first day of school, rather orientation, okay? It was a group of people, wasn't about 5, 6, 4 people, you know what I mean? Somewhere around that number, okay? I met this guy named Aaron. Okay? And let me tell you something about Aaron, okay? Aaron was black, okay? And
Today, Junior?
And because he was black, I'm gonna be honest here, because he was black, it was easier to ride on. You know what I'm saying? It was easier to make friends with somebody that's, you know, like, you know what I'm talking about here.
I don't know.
So basically, we hit it off just because of that alone. You know what I'm saying? But all in all, Aaron, he's a cool guy. So I can't really recall the first exact day of school. I can't recall that. But I do know we had to do theory. Basically, we had to work in the back, okay? We had to do book work before we can get on the floor. And let me tell you, while I was back there, it was barbers that was already on the floor, Arlen being one of them. Now, I used to look at Arlen's cut and used to be like, I always used to be like, man, he could really cut. You know what I'm saying? This guy's good. But I used to see individuals hating on him, saying that he's not this, is not that, your cuts is blase, blase. Arlen used to look up to a certain individuals, and I'm not gonna be calling out everybody's name, you know what I'm saying? But he used to look up to certain individuals, and I used to always think, man, the person you are looking up to, just maybe he just don't like you, Arlen. You know what I'm saying? He don't like you like that, so I would pull back. But Arlen, and all in all, used to receive probably the most majority of the hate at barber school, all right? And I always thought, man, they might be hating on him because he's good. Maybe it's just a hunch. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. It definitely seemed like dark times during that time when I first stepped in, all right? There was a lot of people hating, a lot of people saying this ain't that and that ain't this. Let me tell you my experience as soon as I got on the floor, okay? Now picture this, right? I'm on the floor cutting. As I'm cutting, okay, I started to develop a crowd here. You know what I mean? Mind you guys, when I went to barber school, I developed a following of over like 30,000 just off of brushing my hair, just off of waves, period, in the wave game, right? So I had a bit of a following already, but I developed a crowd around me once I started cutting hair. And let me tell you, the sweat and the nervousness and the shaking of the hands, I never had anybody around me while I was just cutting hair, so it made me nervous. And I'm cutting them like this, I'm getting his, you know what I mean, the back of the taper. People are asking me questions. I developed a crowd, ladies and gentlemen, a crowd. Then this guy pulls up out of nowhere and asks me a couple of questions. Basically,
Hey, so how long you been cutting hair?
just think about this kind of, just this fly in your ear.
So how long you been cutting hair? Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. That's right. Oh, so, what guard are you using? Oh, that's right. That's okay.
Interrogating me, basically, okay? And it came down to his last question.
Hey, check this out, man. Do you know what a 5-op is?
I looked at him and I was like, no. I don't know what a 5-op is. I don't know. This is my first day on the floor, man. This man is gonna say,
Hey, yo, Rasa.
which is the instructor, by the way. Rasa is the instructor, okay? Good man. Good dude, great instructor. Hats off to Rasa, but he was the night class instructor, man. I never really had him as an instructor myself. He was the night class. But back into it, he said,
Rasa. Hey, man, get this man off the floor. He don't even know what a 5-op is.
the man left me. Just like that. Could you even just imagine me cutting hair, okay? And somebody just walks off talking about, get this man off the floor. He don't know. See, the thing is, you didn't judge my haircut. You judged the fact whether I knew what a dang 5-op is, which is a blade, now that I know, okay? It's the lowest blade, we get that. But wasn't nobody cutting with blades. I was using the levers, you know what I'm saying? I was using guards. Ain't nobody talking about no 5-op, bro. Matter of fact, where you at now? I don't even, you know what? Let me calm down. Where he at now? I don't know. We don't know. Is he still cutting hair? I always wanted to ask. I don't know. Let me just calm down. I'm in a better place in my life. Let me not stir up old stuff and start getting in my feelings, but you don't understand what he put me through. You guys ain't even really ready for this story that I'm gonna tell you next, okay? I need to stand up. You know what? I need all the room that I can have right now. Let me tell y'all. Listen to me, you guys. Let's just get into it. All right, it was theory, okay? Theory. What is theory, you might ask? It's when you go in the back and you do book work, okay? It was early morning. I'm just painting you guys this picture real quick. Our instructor, I'm not gonna say no names. Our instructor, he wanted to put on a dang video for us to watch on YouTube. So he go gets his tablet, okay? And this is what he says.
Oh yeah. Before I put this on, I need to mentally get prepared for this. I need to erase some of this stuff off my iPad because it really goes down late night. So let me delete some of this stuff here. Oh yeah. Yeah. No, I can't really. I got to delete that one. That one got to be deleted. Let me tell you something. Y'all can't see that. That got to be deleted.
So I'm just getting you guys mentally prepared, okay? He's deleting things off of his iPad. Now, he plays it, hooks it up, puts everything on the screen. We watching a shave. Now, what happens when you leave your iPad? Just check this out. Like, what happens when you leave your iPad alone for a minute? It goes on a screensaver, am I right? Some of us does, some of us don't. But at the time it did. So his iPad went on a screensaver. It was nice and innocent at first. Let me tell you, it was nice and innocent at first. You see him right here, hugged up with a student like he just graduated in this slideshow. The next slideshow is just a random car, just innocent. Next slideshow, another student. This time probably on this arm. But then the next slideshow, the next slideshow, he's in the shower. Ladies and gentlemen, he's in the shower. One of these. Oh God, my eyes. Oh, God. What did I just see? Ah, my eyes. Listen, let me tell you, it was up there. It was on the screen for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 seconds, ladies and gentlemen, 6 seconds before somebody, I think John said, this is getting a little awkward. Then the rest of the class looks up. Oh, that's all you heard. What? For real? Oh, come on, bro. What? No, man. Come on now. No, you can't be doing that. What is this? Oh, what are we looking at? Oh, what? Okay. That's all we're hearing. And did you know what the instructor did? Let's just think of it, y'all. His tablet is right here. He looked up at the screen, turned to us and said,
Yeah.
and proceeded to unplug the tablet. What was the yeah? Why'd you yeah? What was that? I'm out of school now. We all out of school now. What was that? Huh?
Yeah.
What was that?
Yeah.
What was all of that? Arlen, Ramon.
What's up?
Ramon.
What's good?
Talk about it. Barber school, just a little bit.
Barber school? Oh, man. I
Talk
don't
about
even
it.
want to talk about barber school. That's a whole nother discussion, man. We hating is. Yeah, we can't talk about that.
You can't talk about
We
it.
can't talk about it.
Listen, but is the rumors true?
The rumors are true.
The rumors are true. You know that.
I'm gonna say.
Listen, what?
I ain't saying no more.
That's the truth. That's the truth. All over the wind. All over the
Tell them about it.
the shower. All over the shower. Oh, yeah.
Tell them about it.
My experience. I got more stories, y'all. I'm trying to tell y'all that ain't the only thing that happened, okay? That's not the only thing that happened. And I just gotta sit down and tell you guys right now. I need to see if you still in school, everybody, if you still in school, and them seniors is looking like they finna graduate and they hating on you. You just been in the school, you just got into school, and you starting to feel like, man, this, I don't know, this sucks. The seniors ain't showing respects. They ain't trying to teach. Listen, keep pushing on. You be the one to change. Okay? You be the one to change the next generation coming after you. Don't be like the seniors before you, okay? Don't be like the seniors. Start anew, start helping and teaching the ones that's coming up. Forget what they doing up there, you know what I'm saying? Because they gone, they about to graduate. Forget them ones and start helping and teaching the ones that's coming up, bro. And do it genuinely. So if you're in barber school right now and things are not looking good, just stay the course, man. You could do it. You could get through it. I got through it. School, I don't know everybody's school experience, but my school experience wasn't the best, and I got through it. So if I could do it, you could do it. It's your boy 360 Jeezy. If you want to hear more story time, let me know in the comment section below. I'm out. Peace.